Yeah, this is the chandelier where Lic broke her back. Not really broke her back, but injured her back because she. And I had to stand at the table like, doing my stuff.
Yeah, it's supposed to be another way around. You are supposed to be the one who pull and.
Yeah.
And the video that we have filmed, we can't use it because of what, Johan?
No, we had a problem with the microphone.
Yeah.
It was on and off, so
I can do some.
Up the chandeliers because they're very, very heavy. It's too difficult to get them all the way up. So now temporarily it's hanging there. And then we're gonna have one in there, another chandelier, and again another consalon, another chandelier.
Yeah.
And if you stay there, Lic, we'll see if it picks up. So we're gonna have one chandelier here, and then we will have another one here, and then one down there.
We are testing the microphone to see this new microphone Johan bought is going to
So
work.
that's how it's going to be. Okay, we see how this is working.
We have problem with salad because it's so cold. Some of these salad are damaged. The leaves, look, all damaged. The leaves. So we hope we can save it. So we're gonna put in the plastic on it now.
Hi and welcome to Château du Breuil.
Château Memoir.
Château Memoirs or midlife crisis. Who knows? Well, I got these ones. I found these in Sweden because I needed these are 60 millimeter. We can use PVC. The problem with PVC, it will not last. Maybe 1 year with the ultraviolet UV rays, it can start to crack. Metal, 60 millimeter, 1 millimeter thick. I bent these yesterday, but we had problem with the camera.
So we have to redo it.
Yeah, the only thing I have left is a copper tube. It's the same. If you follow me, Lic.
But you're not going to bend copper tube, we're going to waste it, darling.
I'm just going to show this how it works. We got the width of the box that we have here. We put a thread here in the middle, marked with a pen to follow the circumference here. And then we put these wooden blocks to help support, because bending these metal tubes you need some force. So it will be, I won't bend this, but we will put this in here and stop there, and then you will just bend like this all the way around here to this side, and it would end up something like up, like this.
Yeah, something like that.
Like this. But then because there is the mechanism we have for attaching this, you will see how that works, because if you can see it's this big difference. But when we put it in the box, it will be a taut and it will be a perfect shape. So we'll be heading over to the wall garden and we will be putting one box together.
We are going to the wall garden. Are you alright, Johan?
Not really, no. Yeah, it's fine. Open the gate, please, Nobi.
It's such a nice day today.
Mari, move your bottom, please.
Which box you can do? We do the box that we need first. The first box on the left.
Okay, welcome to the wall garden. We have made a template and we have pre-drilled. You can see here, Lic. We have made a template and pre-drilled each piece of wood. So we have 2 long pieces of wood.
Why you need to pre-drill?
Pre-drill it because you see the size of the screw. If we don't pre-drill it, the risk is that it will crack. And if it starts to crack when it rains, after a while it will start to open up and then it will lose the rigidness of the frame that we need for. Now we have pre-drilled them and using a template so we can use them for any of the boxes we have here. So it will be easier for us, otherwise we have to take a measure each one. So they're all the same size. We pre-drill them, pre-cut them, and now we're going to start to put them together. Yeah.
Can it be taking apart as well?
You can
Like
you can
this?
take it apart. Yeah, it's all taken apart. There's all screws, all marked here. You can see here.
It's like I
We have
IKEA.
pre-drilled.
IKEA.
Yeah, kind of IKEA. Yeah, and if you can see here, we will also pre-drilled. This is you'll see later on. This is the markings for the attaching the hoops. We have special fixtures for this too.
Oh.
It will be like here. This goes here.
Member 2 is on this side or the other side?
I need to put these on the short piece, because if I put them on the long one, it'd be too much tension on this piece here.
Too heavy,
Too
right?
heavy for this one. So we'll put them on the outside on these ones here. So it's already pre-drilled on this one, all the way in. Because if I put this one in, it will lock into place. So I put this one in there, and then that one there. Flip them around. It will be like that. I will attach this once I have put on the actual frame, in case there is some little movement in those. Otherwise, it will be too rigid.
That's how you pre-drill, and then you stick out the nail, and then after that you can match the hole.
So. Head over to that side. Okay, there we have the frame. Now we can attach it here in the back. Let's see if it's yeah.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, now we're gonna put the loops on. This part here is the same outer diameter as the inner diameter of the tube. So we take this, and you can see here it actually makes a mark in the wood, so it grips the wood. We do like this. So this is marked off in the middle of the center of the box, and then to an outer side.
So you put it on 6 of them.
Yes. And then you will see when we put the tubes on, it will be
Is this going to be long enough to hold the hoop?
the tubes. It grips very good. I think because they're grooved. Sure. So you can see here the tension. There you go.
Yeah.
There's one. There we go. We're gonna get a net, which we will cover here to give support, first of all, for the plastic we cover, and then if we put netting, it will cover that too. So we put here on the sides the
You saying that it
That's it.
depends on season, so we can use plastic and sometimes we can
Yeah.
use the shady net.
like in the summer we want to have, for example, certain
No
items
rain.
need shade, or we can cover it with plastic only here and keep it open on the side to air out. It's up to us. So now it will be like that. You're
Right.
gonna have a handle, and there will also be a lock mechanism.
Attention, mes salades.
Parce que comment ça?
But do you get a thing?
No, I don't have anything here like that. Just want to see if it's
Non,
ça sera pile
ça
poil,
marche
hein.
bien.
Hein?
Ça
Ça va
marche
bien ça?
oui.
Normalement. Voilà. La maille en bas.
I think you put
Il faut tracer avant, Johan.
comme ça.
Oui.
Ouais, attends.
Ah, ok. Intelligence.
Moi, tu choisis le thème.
Ah. That's clever.
Ok. Attends, j'avais moi aussi.
Don't forget to turn the right direction.
Tu veux encore ou tu avais?
J'en ai.
Je vais mettre là avec la graffeuse.
Mais.
Attends.
C'est pas possible, ça. Comment ça? C'est un qui gueule, l'autre la reprend.
Parce que il n'y a personne qui promène
Non.
le chien. Et toujours comme ça. Beaucoup d'énergie.
Ouais.
J'ai déjà vu, sur la feuille de la mairie, ils voulaient les gens qui leur donnent des sacs à crottes.
Oui. On avait en Suède,
Oui.
pas le sac, mais avec la poubelle.
La poubelle.
Pour mettre la,
Ok, pour le travail aussi.
la crotte.
Préparer.
Ça marche. Autrement, on met la crotte dans un sac. Et non, dans une. Mettre où?
Bah, faudrait mieux que tu mettes ça dans un sac comme ça, Johan.
Oui.
Toutes les crottes.
Oui.
Après, tu prends, toi, tu fous ça dedans. Parce qu'après, la poubelle, ça passe.
It looks so good.
Pourquoi tu mets pas pareil, là?
Johan avait beaucoup.
Oui, encore.
Ah, j'ai 10 cm.
C'est bon?
Ouais.
Ok.
Et toute la caisse la même place, s'il vous plaît. Parce qu'on va utiliser, on ne peut pas écrire ça, caisse numéro 1, numéro 2, numéro 3.
Il va pas traverser le bout de bois, l'autre.
Ou ferme. La...
Try to put in the same line as this, see? So you
Yeah, no, but I can put it there.
Okay, so
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oui.
Hein,
1,
t'aurais mis...
2, 3, 4. C'est juste ça. Regarde.
Ouais, bah, parce que t'as pas mis au milieu. T'aurais mis là, tac, 10 cm c'était là, c'était 4,
C'est ça.
c'était ici. T'écoutes pas ce qu'on te dit.
non, écoute pas.
Je comprends rien.
Je comprends rien. Comme il dit ce matin, il dit on va au château. J'étais dans le local avec lui. Il dit on va au château. Quand tu dis on va au château, il me regarde, c'était tous les deux.
Oui.
Je dis, mais qu'est-ce-
Et chaque fois, c'est. Moi, I say I'm going to the château. But that means both of us.
Yeah.
Je vais aller à château. On va aller à château.
Je dis, moi j'ai rien à faire au château, que tu veux faire moi.
Oh, les gars.
Alors 10, toi t'aurais mis là, après 4, ping, et après ça tombe au milieu.
Vous, mariage les deux. Coucher ensemble.
Oh, il fait chaud.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Johan, non.
Ici, tu mets là, mais ici, parce qu'après il y en a.
Four,
Ouais, ça fait rien.
show. Where is the machine I bought? It's gonna be so good. I told you to
Yeah,
use
okay,
it.
that's it.
all the- Take all
On va
time.
prendre la tronçonneuse.
Oui. Wow, j'aime bien.
Yeah, look good.
C'est joli.
You're good at the ones in L. You're good like that in Turkey.
Cho on peut vendre ça.
Ouais.
Parce que c'est très bien.
25 000.
Oui.
On va contacter Ikea.
On peut faire pour Ikea.
You hold this, I'm gonna get the...
Plus tard. Oh wow, Joe, c'est joli. Hein? Très bien.
Un sanglier qui a passé avec son pied.
Which one now? This one?
Oh yeah. You want food? You want food?
Mati.
Tidak mat. Oh iya. Mati. Mam. Mati.
Je vais pas bouffer toute la journée, le chien.
Oui.
Mati.